How to control your iPhone camera with volume buttons. Did you know you can use your iPhone's volume buttons to take photos and videos effortlessly? It's a simple yet powerful feature that makes capturing moments faster and more intuitive. Let me show you how it works and a few tips to get the most out of it. First, open your camera app. Once it's ready, your volume buttons double as a shutter release. Press either the volume up or volume down button, and just like that, you've snapped a photo. It's perfect for reducing camera shake, especially when taking selfies or shooting at awkward angles. But there's more. If you're in video mode, pressing and holding either volume button starts recording instantly. Release the button, and the recording stops. A fantastic trick for capturing quick, spontaneous clips without fumbling through on-screen controls. For even more control, pair your iPhone with wired or wireless headphones. Most headphone volume buttons also work as a remote shutter, allowing you to take photos or start videos from a distance. So, whether you're shooting a selfie, a group photo, or a quick video, this feature transforms your volume buttons into a handy, multifunctional camera tool. Try it out and elevate your mobile photography game today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.